Mad honey, one of the world's most extraordinary and dangerous substances. Produced by Apis laboriosa, the world's largest honeybees, this rare golden liquid is harvested just 2 weeks each year. These massive bees, nearly twice the size of regular honeybees, create their massive honeycombs on sheer cliff faces hundreds of meters high. But what makes this honey truly unique isn't just how it's harvested, it's what's inside. The Gurung tribe. The Gurung tribe, descendants of Tibetan migrants, have mastered the art of mad honey hunting across countless generations. Among these skilled hunters, the story of the honey harvest continues through families like Budimans, where grandfather, father, and son work together, their bodies marked by years of dangerous climbs and countless bee stings. Each honey hunt begins with sacred rituals that have remained unchanged for thousands of years. The village elders perform blessing ceremonies, where water is carefully poured over participants while prayers are whispered in ancient dialects. Protective amulets, woven with specific patterns and blessed by village elders, are tied around hunters' necks. These aren't mere decorations. They represent the community's spiritual shield against the numerous dangers that await on the cliffs. The knowledge required for mad honey hunting goes far beyond just climbing skills. Hunters must understand bee behavior, weather patterns, and the precise timing of rhododendron blooms. They learn to read subtle signs in nature, the direction of winds, the behavior of birds, and the movement of clouds, all crucial indicators for a successful harvest. This expertise isn't written in books, but passed down through practical experience, with young hunters spending years as apprentices before attempting their first climb. Preparation. The creation of harvesting tools begins weeks before the actual hunt. The bamboo rope ladder, the hunter's lifeline, demands particular attention. Selected bamboo stalks must be precisely aged and treated to ensure maximum strength. Hunters split these stalks into long strips, soak them to increase flexibility, and meticulously braid them into ropes that can support several times a person's weight. Wooden rungs carved from hardwood are fitted at precise intervals. Too close and they'll tangle, too far apart and climbing becomes dangerous. Tool preparation extends beyond the ladder. Long poles, often reaching 6-7 meters, are carefully selected and tested for strength and flexibility. These poles require specific modifications. One end shaped for cutting honeycombs, the other designed to support collection baskets. The baskets themselves are woven from local materials, designed to be both lightweight and strong enough to hold heavy honeycombs while suspended hundreds of meters in the air. The smoke bundle, crucial for subduing the bees, requires particular expertise. Hunters gather specific types of green leaves known for producing thick, long-lasting smoke. These leaves are layered around a core of smoldering charcoal, then wrapped tightly with bark strips to create a bundle that can burn for hours. The size and composition of these bundles vary depending on the size of the bee colonies and weather conditions. Team coordination involves assigning specific roles based on experience and physical capability. The lead hunter, typically the most experienced, takes the dangerous position of actually cutting the honeycombs. Support teams position themselves at various points along the cliff, managing ropes and passing tools. Ground teams maintain communication and prepare for emergency responses. Each team member must understand their role perfectly. There's no room for confusion when hanging hundreds of meters above the ground. Harvest. Reaching the hive, the hunters encounter the world's largest honeybees in full defensive mode. These massive insects, with bodies the size of a human thumb, swarm aggressively to protect their precious honeycomb. Apis laboriosa are known for their potent venom, capable of causing intense pain and even anaphylactic shock in humans. The hunters must anticipate the bees' behavior, watching for telltale signs of an imminent attack. To pacify the swarm, the hunters employ thick smoke from their handcrafted bundles. The pungent fumes disorient the bees, masking the hunter's scent and overwhelming their sensitive antennae. As the bees become sluggish and disoriented, the hunters strike quickly, using long, sharp knives to meticulously slice away the honeycombs. The process requires incredible dexterity and focus, as the hunters must work in perfect coordination to collect the precious mad honey. One wrong move could provoke a relentless assault from the giant bees, putting the entire team at risk. The hunters must also be wary of the comb's placement, as it is often situated in precarious locations along the cliff face. With the honeycombs finally severed, the hunters must carefully lower the heavy, dripping pieces to their waiting colleagues below. The descent is no less perilous, as a single slip of the rope could send the hard-won harvest plummeting to the rocks below. Throughout the entire harvest, the hunters remain acutely aware of the dangers they face, keeping a watchful eye on their teammates and the volatile swarm of Apis laboriosa. Processing. Back on the valley floor, the Gurung hunters begin the delicate process of filtering and preserving the mad honey. First, they carefully remove any bees, wax, or other impurities from the honeycombs using traditional sieves and screens. This meticulous filtration ensures the honey's potency and purity, retaining the valuable grayanotoxins that give mad honey its unique properties. The filtered honey is then transferred to tightly sealed clay pots or bamboo vessels for storage. These traditional containers help maintain the honey's freshness and prevent oxidation. The Gurung people have perfected techniques to extend the shelf life of their precious product, some methods dating back centuries. Quality assessment is critical, as mad honey's value can reach up to $400 per 200 grams. The hunters carefully inspect each batch, testing for the desired color, viscosity, and aroma. Effects and usage. For centuries, the Gurung people have utilized mad honey's unique properties in traditional Nepalese medicine. When consumed in small, carefully measured doses, the honey is believed to have a range of therapeutic benefits, including improved circulation, reduced inflammation, and enhanced cognitive function. However, the grayanotoxins in mad honey can also have dangerous side effects if misused. Improper dosage can lead to symptoms such as nausea, low blood pressure, and even cardiac arrest. The Gurungs are acutely aware of these risks and have developed strict protocols to ensure the safe distribution and consumption of their prized product. In addition to its traditional medicinal uses, mad honey has also been employed in more sinister applications throughout history. During times of conflict, the Gurung people have been known to use the honey as a potent weapon, lacing food supplies or arrows with the hallucinogenic substance. This practice dates back centuries, with accounts of mad honey's use in ancient Nepalese warfare.